Hello and welcome to the next class. We've been able to fix our fascia board and the ceiling, but just only this front because of this shape that is in front and is in a plane that is different. So there's a solution to it. What I used to do, you can also use this my own wisdom. Number one, I'll go to ceiling level to go and see where I'm going to start the work. I will now go to wall. I will go to wall. You can see wall here. I will go to duplicate, edit. I will go to this box, duplicate this one. I will now, wall 2 is already showing, so I'll just say okay. I will edit this place where I'm not going to work on. I'll change this one to 600. I'll go to this one too. I'll also edit it, duplicate wall 2. I can leave this one, leave the render appearance. I will make it, a ceiling now. So you go back to this, or you pick this acoustic style, okay, apply, and okay, and okay, and okay, and okay, until you finish all the okays. So once you are through with that, you can now start. So you pick your wall from this corner right to this corner, and that is your wall. Right click, cancel, right click and cancel. So what are you going to do next? You now go to the 3D and see what you have done. You can see the wall now as already shown. So what we need to do is just do a little editing. So you click on it, go to the south, which is the front view. You now go and you see edit profile. Edit profile. So you left click on edit profile. It's your own version might be a little different, so you just check it. They are almost the same thing. So edit profile. Now you now begin to edit your profile. You go to lines, you pick this line, you make sure it's now slanting. What you want to do now is to get something of just a little thickness, maybe 15 is okay. So you just go like that, you go like that and cancel and cancel. So you just begin to trim, begin to use your trim. You can zoom well to see what you are doing. You use your trim, to trim all the trimmables that you need to trim. Once you do that, you delete all these other ones that you do not need. You delete this one, delete this one. If you are not seeing it very well, you can make that thickness a little bit so that you can see it well. You can just shift it up. You go to lines, you make sure, because if it doesn't close, it will not finish the sketch. It will be telling you that you should delete it. So if you don't want that, make sure that everything is well closed. You use trim and close it all and close everywhere well. Once you finish, you go to finish sketch. You see, continue. That means it's not in closed loops. You need to check it around again. There are some places that are not closed. That's where you need to check it around. Or maybe one line is this is what is happening. This line we've not deleted it, so let's delete it. We now go back again, finish sketch. You can see that it has finished. So once you go back to your 3D now, you can see that you might not be able to view it very well here. You go to your 3D view 1. You can see it here. Can you see that it has been covered? Can you see what I'm seeing here? So once you finish one side, you just go back to your ceiling level, pick that one that you have done, and just mirror. You see mirror here. Go to this one, you see mirror. You click it, click this midpoint, and once you do that, you are good to go. You just mirror the work to the other side. If you have any issue, you can try it again. Maybe the mirror didn't pick what is supposed to pick. That's why you can see now that it has worked, because I picked the right line. So you need to pick the correct line for you to mirror. So once you do that, you can now go back to your 3D view 1 and check it. You can see what you have done here. You can see that it's perfectly done. That's how you can do that area, and you are good to go. What just remains is for you to just block this area, and I know you can do that. You can also use that word that I taught you. use it and edit the profile of the wall to block that area. So once you do that, you are good to go on this first type of roof with fascia board. Now we shall be going to the other aspect, which is concrete fascia. So we'll see in the next class. Thank you.